Hi, welcome to How to Draw Simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw a skull and crossbones. Let's start off by drawing a big round curve to start the skull. Then, draw 3 upside down arches for the teeth, followed by a big curve going all the way around to finish off the skull shape. Inside, draw a big circle for the eye, another one for the other eye, and a small triangle in between for the nose. For the crossbones, start with 2 arches here, like a heart without the tip at the bottom. Then, draw 2 long lines extending out, and mirror the 2 arches on the other side. For the other bone, draw the same shape, but behind and with the opposite angle. A line going out, 2 arches, and a line going back down. A line going out again, 2 arches, and a line going back. Lastly, color in the eyes and nose on the skull. And now you've got a skull and crossbones.